Hello everyone, welcome back to Naina Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to install SAP ECC EHP7 installation on Windows Server operating system. Just for recap, in the previous video, I have shown how to install MS SQL database for SAP installation. I have put the link in the description. Please go through it. My suggestion before starting this video, please go to the MS SQL database installation video, then you come to this video. As a prerequisite to install SAP ECC, we have to prepare the system with Windows Server operating system. And secondly, you have to download all the media from the service marketplace for SAP ECC MS SQL database software. Then you have to install the MS SQL database. So this one I have done the video. You can go through that. Then in this video, I will show you how to install SAP ECC application. Now log into the SAP application server. So we have created one folder as SAP inst_log to record all the log files, and you have to open the command prompt and divert to this directory SAP inst_log. From this directory, you have to execute SWPM. Go to SWPM path, go to media, and copy this path, and from the command prompt execute SWPM under SAP inst_log directory. Now you have to enter the administrator credentials. Now you have to choose the SAP business suite, and you have to choose EHP7 because we are installing EHP7. EHP7 for ERP6 ABAP. Then you have to choose the database MS SQL, and under the installation, then you have to choose again its application server ABAP and standard system, and click on the standard system and click on next button. Now here there are two options, typical or custom, so you have to choose custom. Now you have to put the system ID of SAP, that I am choosing TS1, and destination drive. We will install all application under E drive. Click next. Here enter the master password. So this password will be used for all the credentials. Click next. And here the Windows domain will be, if it is a domain installation, you can add as a domain of current user. Otherwise, if it is a local domain, you can choose local domain and click next. And this is the credential for the administrator accounts. So no need to enter the separate password because already you entered as a master password. Same password will be taken here. Click next. And this is a database instance. Since you have already installed the MS SQL database, so that will be database instance will be appeared here. Since we have installed MS SQL database software, that will be the system database. Now a separate database will be created for the ECC application. Here it will show some missing SAR files. You can drag down. Here you can see there are SAR files that are still missing. You can click on the link, these links, and you can download from the service marketplace. Since I already downloaded those SAR files in the media directory, we can choose these files for the installation. I am selecting SAR files from under the media directory. Click next. Now you can see all the missing SAR files are now available. And this is the host agent file. If you scroll down, you can see the status is available because we have chosen the SAR file that is downloaded from the service marketplace. Now the Windows host agent, if it is a local domain, choose the local domain. If it is a domain user, then choose domain of current user. This is SAP ADM user credential. Password is updated with the master password. Click next. Here you have to choose the installation export media. So from the E drive, go to media directory. And choose export folder. Click next. Now you have to choose installation export to. Earlier it was export 1 and now it should be the export 2, and click next. And this is the credential for the database schema. It will be updated with the master password. Click next. This is the number of SQL Server database files. 8 for medium systems, 16 for large systems, and 4 for small systems. For our installation, we have selected 8 for medium system. Click next. This is the path and size of the database files. So this is the path ts1 data1, and ts1 data1 is the file name, and default size is 6.2 MB. If you want to change it, you can change it. If you want to add the database files, you can add it. Click next. This is the tempdb configuration, name and path of the temp files, and size of the temp files. If you want to reduce it, you can reduce it, and if you want to change the path and name of the file, you can do it from here. Click next. This is the SQL Server memory configuration. So we have selected the default memory configuration, and which is recommended from the SAP installation perspective. Click next. This is the max top configuration. We have selected the default value as per the SAP installation document. Click next. This is the number of parallel jobs for the database import during the SAP installation. This we can change as per your RAM size. We have selected 9. Click next. These are the SAP nodes you have to follow post installation. These are the memory parameters, memory settings you need to change after the installation. Click next. This is the application instance number and host name of the application. Primary application server is 00, ASES instance number is 01. Click next. These are the ports. ABAP message server port is 3601, that is 36 instance number. This is the number of dialog work processes and background work processes. Dialog work process is 10 and background work process is 6. You can change it depend on your RAM size. Click next. This is the credential for ICM user. This will be updated with the master password. Click next. This is the SLD configuration. So we are not going with the SLD configuration on the test system. Click next. These are the additional components including the ACS instance. So we are not going to install any gateway on the test system. Click next. This is like for production systems, we will going with the individual key generation. For development, quality and test systems, we are going with the default key. Click next. If you want to change the DDIC and other standard system password different from the master password, you can select this option and you can enter your own password for DDIC and other standard SAP users. If you keep the master password, then no need to select anything. Click next. This will do the cleanup of encryption key after the SAP installation. Click next. This is the parameter review. Whatever we entered the parameters, you can review from here. You can scroll down and you can verify all the parameters. And if you want to change any parameter, you can select this option, any of the parameter, and you can click on the revise, and you can change the parameter. You can go ahead. So now click next. Now the installation process is started. This is the task list. Okay, all the tasks involved in this in the SAP installation will be listed here. It will install, it will execute each task one by one. This is the log files. If any error encounter, you can check the log file from here instead of going to the operating system, and you can download the log files from here to the your local system. And this is a bit lengthier process, so you have to wait till this complete task complete the installation. Now SAP application is installed successfully. Click OK. And this is the feedback form to SAP. This is purely optional. If you want to send the feedback to SAP, you can fill it and click on send button. Otherwise, you can close this form. You can see here the installation is complete successfully. You can exit the screen. Click on exit button. Now we will check the SAP. Open SAP logon pad and create a connection for the new SAP system. Put the application server IP here and instance number 00 and system ID is TS1. We able to connect to SAP system. Enter the client 000 and enter the credential for SAP star with the master password. Now you can verify the system. Go to system and click on status. Now you can check here database system is MS SQL and name is TS1. That means installation successful. That's it guys. If you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe to Nahina Tech to get the notification for the future contents. Thank you for watching Nahina Tech.